In order to manage the life cycle data of products, one of the concepts that has emerged recently is what is known as the digital product passport. We've been working on this project since last summer. We were awarded the Sustainability Challenge Grant in 2023, so it's been about 7 to 8 months now. The digital product passport is a digital passport for products that will contain all the life cycle information for the product. So where it came from, what kind of materials were used, how it was made, and how it should be used, as well as when it was charged, how much energy was used. What we're trying to do in this project is to create a digital product passport for the UK iPads. And in order to do that, we will work very collaboratively with the Smart Campus Initiative, because they are the ones who coordinate the iPad giveaway on campus. And also, we will be talking with the Office of Sustainability to get feedback from them and incorporate them as we move forward.
The UK campus has a very unique feature that UK released the iPad to the freshmen. Now we have like over 30,000 iPads on campus. That's a big bundle of the resources. And if we try to contribute to the sustainability from the campus perspective, then the iPad would be a perfect target. By this app, the first feature is we will display or visualize the battery levels or the charging patterns to the users. We will also give some tips to the users, namely the students, when to charge the iPad to maintain the battery life condition, and if there is any damage, what kind of resources on campus. And I think one big capability of this iPad or app is we only collect the battery data and the charging data, and we will analyze the data on the cloud. And the goal would be multiple folds. The first goal is to extend the iPad's life or the battery life. The second fold would be to minimize the electricity cost and the energy consumption. The third fold is related to sustainability. We try to minimize any carbon footprint or environmental footprint on campus.
There is potential that this information could help improve the design of iPads in the future if the app is further developed and made to cover the full life cycle. We are very excited to see that we have been able to take this project from idea to actual implementation. Initially, when we thought about this digital product passport idea for iPads, we were very excited that we could make a contribution to the university, actually apply our research to the university campus and help contribute to the university advancing its sustainability performance goals. So it's very exciting to see that it is going live and that we'll be able to have it on these student iPads.